Nutritional requirements during pregnancy differ significantly from those of non-pregnant women, emphasizing the need for a personalized approach to nutritional advice. Making smart food choices can help you have a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. Here are some essential nutrients to include as part of a varied, balanced diet. Iron. During pregnancy, the body's body volume increases, needing a higher intake of iron. This vital nutrient is essential for producing more blood, supplying oxygen to tissues, organs, and the baby. Foods rich in iron include red meat, oily fish, eggs, chicken, nuts, seeds, leafy green vegetables, and raspberries. Raspberries are also rich in vitamin C to help with iron absorption. Other vitamin C rich foods which aid in iron absorption include kiwi fruit, bell peppers, oranges, and leafy greens like broccoli. Another essential nutrient is folate. This is crucial for developing your baby's nervous system and reducing the risk of brain and spinal birth defects. Rich sources of folate include dark leafy greens such as spinach, romaine lettuce, broccoli, and fruits like oranges, grapefruit, and papaya. Legumes like beans, peas, and lentils are also excellent choices. Another essential nutrient is calcium, essential for building strong, healthy bones and teeth in your developing baby. Calcium also supports blood and muscle function. Foods rich in calcium include dairy products such as yogurt, milk and cheese, orange juice, sardines, and dark leafy green vegetables such as okra and spinach. Magnesium is another essential nutrient. It is the fourth most abundant metal in the human body. Magnesium plays vital roles in numerous bodily processes. It helps improve or reduce morning sickness symptoms, relieves muscle cramps, and contributes to your baby's nerve and muscle functioning. Magnesium-rich foods include seeds, whole grains, leafy green vegetables, nuts, and fish, like pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, almonds, salmon, spinach, potatoes, quinoa, and chickpeas. The fifth essential nutrient is iodine, which is essential for producing thyroid hormones in both the mother and the baby. Iodine regulates the development of the baby's brain, skeleton, and nervous system, as well as the baby's metabolism. Foods rich in iodine include seafood, dairy, and eggs, such as cod, tuna, Greek yogurt, milk, and cheese. Vitamin D is also an essential nutrient. It is important for maintaining adequate levels of calcium and phosphorus, which aid in building your baby's bones and teeth. It also plays a crucial role for healthy eyesight and skin. Rich sources include eggs, fish, liver oil, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Check labels for vitamin D fortification or consider a supplement or a multivitamin. Omega-3 fatty acids are vitally important in pregnancy. These acids are crucial building blocks for the fetal brain and retina, improving brain development and eyesight. They also play a role in reducing the risk of your baby developing asthma and allergies, and they are known to reduce perinatal and postnatal depression. Foods rich in omega-3 include eggs and avocados, fish such as mackerel, tuna, and salmon, as well as nuts and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. As you embark on this incredible journey of pregnancy, remember that providing your body with these essential nutrients not only ensures your well-being, but also lays the foundation for your baby's healthy development. Each nutrient plays a unique role in shaping your baby's future, from building strong bones and a robust nervous system to supporting overall growth.